Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video I will show you how to fix a broken eyeshadow without using alcohol. In this same procedure you can fix any powdery makeup stop like compact, highlighter, blush, etc. It is really disheartening by seeing your fab makeup product broken. I got this eyeshadow palette and as you can see some of the shades has broken during transit. To fix this I need a hair serum, a thin makeup brush or eye pencil or normal pencil. We just need the backside of the products to just dab the shadows. So let's start fixing. For the glitter shadow I only need to dab and press with the back of the makeup brush to set everything in place. It is little time consuming and but you have to make sure you are fixing everything properly and you have to work very light-handedly. When everything will set, I will just keep rolling the backside of the makeup brush over it to make an even surface. Then for the powder eyeshadow I have to break the pieces and make a fine powder. Then I'm going to add few drops of hair serum into it and mix well. Same way I fixed all the broken sets and then after that I cleaned the outer mess using a wet wipe or you can use a tissue paper and this done. This procedure will not affect the pigmentation ability of the sets and let's test it. As you can see the color payoff is as good as new. I'm so happy that I fixed my broken eyeshadow palette. It's a hit. If you like this video, please give a big like and keep subscribed to my channel and follow me on all of my social media handles. See, my eyeshadow palette is as good as new. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.